We are just prepping the last bit of it really. I one of the chisels I really need to use for the Pakatis shit, it's like blunter than James Blunt, so oh I gotta figure out how I'm gonna sharpen it. Yeah, it's not your beautiful, it's you're very blunt. It's true. Wait, let's get this design rolling. I better turn this main light off, eh? Like the shine is cucking it from where you can't see it. One moment then, let me see what it looks like. There you go. You can see it now. Sort of. So after this, once we've drawn this up, then we'll unbox the things we got from Power. Hello. I haven't watched you in a while, and I gotta say, your singing voice is amazing. Oh, cheers, Frasier. Alright, guys, I'm working every night at a hotel, and someone just stole a $55 Wingstop order I watched. They said it was theirs and grabbed it. Number or something. Yeah, that makes sense. You should have did that. Oh well, you live and you learn. Hey, Chair Thunder, how are you? You live and you learn, my dear. I've been in a real I wanna play Zelda mood lately. I think it's my flavor of the month game that I need to play. Kia ora, Dubs. Kia ora, bro. Been a crazy week, my bro. How was South? I'll be honest, bro. It was warmer down there than up here. Bro, way warmer. This place is cold. But I was cool. Like the missus was buzzing out seeing snow for the first time. And I'm like, yeah, just see that every year back at home. I'll be honest, my bro Fergberger, Bob the build-ups. But Wahlburgers was way better. Back in time for bro, hard, bro. The weather's ugly here. But other than that, The South Island has definitely made me want to rewatch all the Lord of the Rings again. Might even be that guy and start from The Hobbit. But yeah, on our way home, we saw Jason Momoa at the airport. Dude absolutely loves the South Island, eh? He loves it, eh? Did you get a put in heaps of security guards? Like everyone just saw him and just bombarded, like went towards the part of the airport where he was. On that, bro, last day, bro, I was ready to go, come home, bro. I was missing the kids. I always get like that though with trips, like or like even if it's somewhere close, and the kids aren't around, I'm like, come on, bro, I just want to go and see the kids, man. Milford Sound was pretty on. Fuck, the drive was on. The drive was on. Like, the drive was really very scenic. But yeah, 578 Ks in one day. Whee! I was over. Yeah, I was over, bro. Especially with that kind of distance. I was like, yeah, nah, I'm good. I'm ready to just be a spud for the rest of the day. That was for the last day. Or for the next day, I was mentally cooked just from that drive alone. Like we left around 7 in the morning. We got home around 8 o'clock at night. The craziest thing about their whole trip was the tunnel to get into Milford Sound, because it just goes straight down, bro. You going? I was a bit uncomfortable knowing I was underneath a mountain or going through one. Bro, we saw the biggest water crisp patch down there too. It's like, fuck, look at that gold mine. Hold on, chat. I might be covering it a little, so I do apologize. But it's pretty crazy. Like even around this time, people were still walking around with like their babies. I was like, "Oh, take the poor kids inside." They strollers, none the blanket, just in their coats, and they're like, "Oh, we need Pepe." But fuck, all the snowboarders, bro, they dripped out. Oh yeah, we got an unboxing tonight, Gecko. I got a package today, courtesy of the manager. I know what one is. It's shoes. I don't know what they are, but we'll check it out after I draw this up. How you been? Yeah, all good. Pretty busy. Had a busy day today. I wanted to stream, but had to sort out a few things for my kids for the weekend. Kia ora, Anthrax. You know, John Collins. No, never heard the name. I'm more of a faces kind of person too. When it comes to like all the carvers out there. Pretty much. Where's he from? Eastern does cool stuff. Oh, true. Yeah, yeah, I gotta see their face, my bro. Well, you can probably barely even see the say. Oh, true. Yeah, I didn't see any carvers carving people down there. Although, like, saw the odd few people that watched the stream down there. Had a young talk to some of them. Some just said love your stream and carried on. I was like, oh, would have been keen to have a yarn with you. And I will say, I've got to say this. Queenstown's luge is dumber than ours. I'll say that. It's pretty rubbish, eh? Ever played Daisy? No, but I've seen a Daisy RP7. It looks fun. Looking good, by the way. Share my bro. Oh, well, we just finished the first half of the design. Gotta do the next one now. Yeah. So we can... Hey, what's up, Zilla? I really want to play Daisy on PC. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I haven't actually played Daisy, the game, myself. What was I supposed to do? Oh, yeah, design. Let's fix this up real quick. There you go. I want to go watch Deadpool. I might try and go watch it tomorrow while the fam's ain't home. My wife wants to watch it with me, but I'm like, you won't like it. You don't know. You don't like that kind of humor. Like, you don't like that kind of humor, man? But yeah, definitely keen to go watch it. I'll say that much. Been hearing a lot of good reviews about it, but I mean that's what happened with the last Deadpool movie. That's how good it was. What's the time for me? 7:40, so about 24 hours ahead. PM, by the way. Hey, what's up? I see us. Oof. Brother. Just wondering how we do this. I'm being a bit ambitious here. Do you like fighting games? Yeah, Tekken. I'm looking forward to 2XKO. Two of my favorite characters are already in that game, so I can't be mad. Always reminds me of my Mormon, true. One of my cousins used to be a Mormon. The new Twitch interface for the new Twitch where? Hang on, I'm going on my phone to have a look, or is it only on desktop? Once human? Oh, chew. I'll be honest, I didn't even last long on that game, eh? On mobile. Oh, I'll be honest, it doesn't look any different. Oh, no, I haven't seen this. Our new mobile app is here. Oh, they kind of did it like TikTok. I see. True. Okay. Are you gonna let me scroll for more? Browse. Wait, where's the who I follow section? Activity? Wait, did they take out the who I follow? Oh, following. Yeah. Oh, that's all good. Look at you honing in on my screen to see if I follow any hot tub streamers. Look at you. Oh, I reckon it's all good. Mateo. Shout out to my boy Mateo. Too lit. Like, oh, clips. Oh, yeah, so they've kind of gone with the TikTok feed kind of route. He's got Garrett. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's all good. Your back must be hurt from carrying. Oh, not really. I don't think of myself carrying anything really, other than my kids. Well, me and my wife are, duo for life. I'm sure it'll become more. Yeah, you just gotta, just keep using it, and then you'll get used to it. Okay, I'm done with the Zelda music. What's some other music I can play without copyright biting my ass on YouTube? Hey. I hear the AMP Cypher's pretty good. I haven't heard it myself. Still no more updates for my... True. They need to make modding like more accessible on mobile for sure. That's definitely like a flaw they need to sort out, definitely. Without a doubt, my bro. I need to get on GTA tonight. I think Junior's awake tonight. Make some money. Try and get some broken bottles before the grinders get them all. Stock up on lockpicks. Get the Bitcoin. Got a lot to do, man. I didn't get to ban much people anyway. Yeah. Who was the last person I banned? I can't even remember. Yeah, last person I banned was on TikTok. But I'm that much of a tea sipper, I just enjoyed watching them be toxic. And then I banned them. Yo, Maka, thank you very much for the 2 months as an Optimus Prime. Kia ora, my bro, for the resub. Kia ora, brother. We are 2 out of 30 in the daily sub goal. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's so crazy how you just eyeball the lines. Yeah. I mean, if it looks bulgy on that side, you gotta move it over a little bit more. If it looks, yeah. Hey, cheer, my bro. Hey, I'm unboxing something tonight. There might be shoes. I got them from Team Power in Australia, so you caught us at on a good time. I don't know what they are, but my some of my peeps were asking what my foot size was. I was like, oh, it's wide. It's big and wide. I'm scared they might be too small. 52 months, bro. This is a bloody long time, man. Fuck, that's a long time. Holy. That's kind of simple, just doing a line, eh? I wonder. Ah, that's a bit too ambitious. Keep it simple, Brody. Keep it simple. Dodo Express Bullet Club or the Joe Dragon, take your pick. That'll fuck the flow up too. Keep it simple, Broxy Lala. Keep it simple. Oh well, chat. That didn't take long. It was supposed to take longer, but yes, I did see we got a silver this morning and then another gold in the ring. I will say the shit around the boxing, man, I am not a fan. Just the way you saw that lady get hit, when I saw that, I was like, nah, that ain't no bloody. That's that looked like a punch I'd throw. You see her head snap back when she connected, or he, she, whatever she, they, them are. I'm gonna say all of them so I don't get in trouble. If I do, my bad. I'll probably be streaming tomorrow. Everyone's saying she's a male. Everyone's saying no, he's a male. She's a male. I don't know which one it is. But the video I saw when with the punch and you just see her head snap back. Oh nah. It's like, hold on now. Hold up. Wait a minute. And that new John Wick guy from the shooting. Holy. All his opponents like had earmuffs on to block out the sound. Brody was just raw dogging it. Raw dogging it with no earmuffs or anything. Bro, that turkey shit was gangsta. And did you see what he said? He goes, I just wanted to prove my wife wrong that I was good at something. It's like, well, hold on now. Alright, so we've got it all prepped for tomorrow. That didn't actually take long. I thought it was going to take longer, but nope. Well, do we want an unboxing stream now, chat? The air guns there won't make any sound anywhere, hardly. Bro, I swear they're BB guns, man. I still think that lady, though, she's badass. Alright, let me turn the light on. Alright, so today we got a packages, I should say. Alright, that's done. This is already for tomorrow. Look at my dirty disc. So, all those rubber pieces. So, I got a package. It's his ex-wife now, Hindo. Yeah. So, we got a package, right? We got a package. What does that say? NTW? So, first of all, shout out to Power, the All Govern Australia, who sent this package over. Another one. So they sent me this as well. Most likely a hoodie, okay? But for now, we'll show the shoes. You ready? Are these high enough? Here we go. No two ways. I can't speak. No two ways is the name of it. Never heard of it. Mind you, I'm not a shoe person, so yeah, we'll see. Let's see what we got. Are we ready? Are we ready? I want to see some spamming in the chat. Spam, 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 spam. Yeah, let's see what we get in here. I've never actually seen these kind of shoes before. Alright, here we go. They look very trendy. You ready? Ooh, oh, it's got their logo on it. Alright. I've never actually owned black and yellow shoes before. What are we thinking? What do people say? Guess. But you want to know something? Man, these are pretty clean. Look at these thick laces. Yeah, it's got their logo there. Dad shoes. Yeah, yeah. Lucky I'm a dad. But these almost got more tread than my tires. You want to know something? I feel like my feet might be still a bit wider. Hey, shout out to Power for sending me some shoes. I probably won't try them on tonight. I'll probably try them on in the morning and then go for a walk. Sure, I don't have to buy any shoes. Yay, that's a W save. Yo, Charlie, thank you very much for the 6 months, my brother. You want to know why I'm so happy about that? Because my chucks started taking on water over the weekend. Yo. Okay, okay. Anything else in here? These look borderline. What are those shoes? Those issues wear? Oh, it's even got the emblem and thing. Power. Anything else in here? Yeah, my Chuck Taylors of shit. How many years did I have those for? I started powerlifting back in 2017. That's how long I've had my Chucks for. I know. Gosh, bro, you have a lot of old stuff for ages. Yes, I do. Hey, Balloon! Thank you for the 52 months. How about that game against the Tigers, though? 52 monthers, my bro. Damn, we got some shoes. Alright. I'll try not to disconnect the camera. Here we go. Oh, look at that lighting. Alright, we have one more. One more package. And what feels like a hoodie. Make sure my thing's not on there. What happened to our music? Okay, my headset's doing that shit again. Oh, I got no volume again. Fuck's sake. Why is it doing this to me? I don't know if it's my headset or my PC, but something's going on with my headset. Like, I'm not sure. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on with my headset, lady. Alright. Your headset is flashing. Yeah, I just put the Bluetooth on. But like it doesn't connect with the cord. And yeah, I don't know why. Like even when I play GTA it muffles the music. Alright, ready? I'm just gonna rip the outer layer off. Oh, there's two things in here. It's got my name on it. And my number. Obviously, you want to know why 23 is my favorite number? It's just my date of birth. That's it. Oh, is that a rugby shirt? Nice and heavy. It feels like a rugby shirt. Shout out to the boys, yeah, out on the sideline. Hey! Also, I'm not a part of Team Power. They just sent this out as a gift. There we go. That's one. I'll wear these to the gym. One more. Here we go. This should pick you up. Oh, I wouldn't. Yeah, I wouldn't know what to do to be. It's an esports content creator guild, eh? Oh, long sleeve. I look like I'm part of the Wellington Lions. Nice. Yo, these feel warm too. Hey. His and his? Nah, just mine and mine. Mine and mine. Here we go. What are the cringe Gen Zers do? I'm a cringe Gen Zer. That's what the cringe Gen Zers do, eh? Just to show I got something and you didn't. That's what they do, eh? Yo, thank you very much, pal. Oh, yeah, I got some new shoes because my chucks are dying on me. Fell. Nice. Looks like you belong with. I am one of you now. I'm the captain now. Look at me. I'm the captain now. All right. Well, may as well change our category. I wasn't supposed to finish that fast. All right. I'm just shedding Andy for the evening. All right. YouTube. I might have to end the YouTube stream soon. It happened to me when I was playing the game once. Oh yeah. I'm a cry. YouTube. I am gonna end the stream there. Sorry, just because I'm gonna probably start playing other music.
I need you to oil this man right now.
Yo, Charlie, thank you for the 10 bomb, bro. If you gotta give this up from Charlie, please give him a thank you. Thank you very, very much, my bro. if you want to jump over to Twitch, feel free to YouTube. I'm probably gonna. I haven't seen this AMP cipher, so I kind of want to watch it. But yeah, much love YouTube, and jump over if you want.